morning, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today, I would like to make a brief announcement. It's cold, forgive me. I am shutting down, well, I'm not going to shut down, but I will no longer be making videos on my tactical channel because I was injured and ill for a period of months. They said I'm no longer uploading enough content, and they will demonetize my channel at the end of the month, and they will continue making up tons of money off my work, and I get nothing for it. I'm not into that. They're getting more and more greedy. They've reduced my pay exponentially across the board, and I gave them many years of my life full-time, and content creators like us is what made them who they are today, and now they're just spitting on us and taking away our money. The ads are still going to run. There's going to be a ton of ads on my videos, but I won't get a penny. I am not going to give them any more for free. Let there be no mistake or misunderstanding. I work for the money. This has been my job since 2013 full-time. I do it for the money. I've tried to leave YouTube in the past and do other things, but with the, how do I put it gently, there's certain people that won't allow me to do anything out there in the outside world. If I work with another company, they harass them to death until I'm kicked out. It is what it is. So here I am. This is what I have. This is all I have. This is the only option I have. Tried to do internet businesses and they have it shut down, and this is what it is. So I am no longer going to make any videos for TR Tactical and Survival. I just did a final farewell video over there, and there will be no more. I am recombining my channel with this, the Do-It-Yourself World, as it used to be and as it probably should be. I originally broke off when I was afraid that YouTube would shut down my channel because I'm a conservative. They still might. Who knows? They've certainly cut my income a lot, exponentially. It's just a pitiful fraction of what it was, and that is how it is now. But anyway, I have a lot of really cool and exciting ideas and plans, and the sad thing is, I was just planning to come back full blast on my tactical channel because of the current events at hand. There's so much I want to share with you right now, but instead I'm going to switch gears overall, and I'm going to get back to basics, and I'm going to improve my video quality on the Do-It-Yourself World. I'm going to show some preparedness type videos here and survival videos on this channel. It will be combined now, as it was. I mean, why not? So I still have DIY too, but I might lose it because of the recession, and the expenses are going up and the income is going down. So we will see how that goes. That was my backup for all my videos in the past, but unless something changes or somebody wants to help out to keep it going, that may be coming to an end as well. You know, we're entering some hard times, and right now we are going in to survival mode. And I'm going to concentrate a lot more on back to basics type things and more hardcore homesteading videos. I'm going to teach people more about making your own soap, making your own laundry detergent, making your own homemade bread, various ways to bake bread without energy from like gas or electric. There are ways that you can get by without the modern conveniences that we have got used to, and many of us can no longer afford. My electric bill went up over 30%, so we're shutting down everything unnecessary and going fully back off the grid once more. And my channel is going to be more off-grid and homesteading basics now. I will have my whatever I'm doing at the time I'll record, but I'm going to have some really good high quality videos on the old fashioned ways. And that's like I used to. Back to the beginnings. Anyway, TR Tech Tactical and Survival, I will be no longer making videos there. I don't work for free. And I certainly don't feel like making mega corporations richer on my labor for nothing. The end. Anybody interested, stay tuned. It's all coming over here, and I got some really cool and exciting stuff to come. I hope you like this video anyway. It's not all doom and gloom. I'm just coming back under the do-it-yourself world, and I've got some really, really cool stuff to come. So, see you there.